Are you getting that 264 error while trying to play Roblox on your PC? What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through fixing the Roblox Error Code 264, so without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Solution 1. Clear Roblox website data from your browser. To do this, first open up the browser you used to visit roblox.com. Now, I use Chrome, but if you're using a different browser, the settings are pretty much the same, so you follow along. Now, click on the three-dot icon and select Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security, then on Site Settings. Now click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. In the search box, type roblox.com. Now hit that trash icon and select Delete from this pop-up. After this, close the tab and open up roblox.com again. Now log into your account and check if the issue is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, delete temporary Roblox files from your computer. To do this, first type run in the search bar here and open it. Then type %local app data % here and hit enter or click on OK. Now File Explorer will open up. From here, find the temp folder and open it. Then scroll down a little and find the Roblox folder. Delete it. Now reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 3. If the error is still popping up, run Roblox in administrator mode. To do this, simply right-click on Roblox Player from your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Now click on Yes, and Roblox should start without any network issues. So folks, that's how you fix Error Code 264 in Roblox. If the video was helpful, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching!